Dakota Storms back here live, watching these severe weather risk again. Trying to not get too drenched because it's raining pretty good right now, so. If I had to guess, looks like the storms are starting to come in here. And if I had to guess, I think we're gonna miss out on the really big hail that's north of us. But it might be close. There's some lightning there. But we are definitely at a pretty good risk to get some crazy wind coming. Maybe in excess of 70 miles per hour. That is probably coming here pretty soon. You can see a bit of storm structure over there. As far as tornado threat, I think it's really starting to subside now. Since this band is kind of converging, it's all becoming a lot more together, so I'll try to not get too soaked here. Yeah, Kate, actually, unfortunately, I didn't get a picture with him because I was working today. So I guess maybe next time, maybe Sunday into Monday. That's probably going to be our next big day, actually. I'm trying to get everything here without getting too soaked because it's probably going to start coming down pretty good soon. Oh, it's raining pretty good out that way. You can tell by how it kind of looks misty or foggy almost. I think we got some good rain coming our way. Don't know if it's hail. You see a little bit of structure over there. Could be shelf cloud. It's pretty hard to see with all the rain going down though. Just trying not to get soaked, like I said, because it's really not fun. I'm definitely going to be out here when it gets really windy though, that's for sure. Yeah, you can probably see a little bit of structure over there. I am 18. Going to go to college for this pretty soon, actually, so 18 years old. This spring we'll be heading to college to study meteorology so I can become a storm chaser and TV meteorologist, so that's pretty cool. Been doing this for a little while. 18 years old, so I'm kind of talking quiet. Yeah, I'll be studying this and becoming an actual storm chaser soon. The wind's starting to pick up here. I'll have to check the radar in a minute, so. Thank you for all the people tuning in. Getting a live look here in Dickinson, where we're getting the storms heading in our direction pretty quickly. Again, tornado threat is probably starting to diminish quite a bit. But once it gets really windy, you will be able to tell. I wanted to try something with smoke bombs so you can see when the wind comes in, but I might do that actually. I'd have to probably end stream and set it up though. The wind would probably blow them over though, that's the issue. But I'm gonna quick check the radar and might pause the stream, but I'll be right back. Be right back. So here's another quick update. Looked at the radar. Here's what it's looking like. Based on what I saw, the big hailstorm that's just north of Dickinson is going to probably stay that way and move towards Manning because the line is really starting to push the storms east. So, but that being said, that does not mean our severe risk is over, as it is looking very likely that we're going to be seeing some very strong wind here in Dickinson soon. And there's going to be a big line, potentially squall line, derecho, which is just a big wind event pretty much. But looks like it could be around 70 miles per hour or more. So once that actually comes in, you'll see these trees whipping. Right now it's pretty calm. One thing I'm kind of waiting for is to see if it gets really cold before the storm, because that tends to happen with big storms. So it was a very humid, warm day. So I learned all this from watching a lot of videos. So hopefully I'll know a lot more soon from college. And Dan the man, the tornado threat is really starting to go down because of the band that's coming together, and it's going to start really pushing things. So the discrete supercells are going to really start to go away, and it's going to become a really bad wind threat, if I had to guess, which it's honestly more than a guess. It's looking very likely. Hail is still definitely a threat too. Just some crazy wind and hail, which would still be a pretty good video. And if that would happen, I would probably have to end the stream so I can get some good videos and make some shorts on YouTube. Hopefully, eventually I'll get enough to get monetized, but I don't know. That'll take a little bit. I'm still a little bit of the ways away. I'm going to check the radar here, and I will be right back. I might pause the stream though. Yeah, because right now it's just a really nice light rain, but we could probably see that changing very soon, very soon. Also, you can expect a lot of lightning. That'll be another thing. Sam Stockard, I am not going to go inside until it starts getting dangerous. Unless a hailstone comes and knocks me out, I am not going inside. I did take one more look at the radar though, and I may have been wrong. We'll see though. But we could actually end up getting a big storm that's rapidly going southeast towards us, and if that would be the case, we could be actually getting some decently sized hail, but time will tell. I think definitely slightly north of Dickinson has to really be aware, and east of Dickinson, those are the next locations. And again, anyone in the path of that line will probably be seeing some crazy wind pretty soon here, and that's me included. So that band is really coming together. So I think this might actually be the new record for my longest stream though, even though it's 10 minutes. I don't stream often because it's usually not very stormy here. This is like our 2-week window for Dickinson or North Dakota in general. Again, I just wanted to mention again that next week, next week we might really get into the swing of things, and this might become a lot more common. I am going to do something really quick though. I'm going to check. There was a new severe weather warning, or severe storm warning, same thing. I'm going to take a look at that. I will be right back. Just want to see what that says for us, because obviously they're a lot more of an expert than me. I'm 18, so we are back. So after looking at the radar again, I just really want to emphasize the locations, at least near Dickinson. That should really be aware north of Dickinson, east of Dickinson, and south of Dickinson, maybe even through Dickinson. Those are big areas of concern right now. I'm going to try to get another angle here. Try to see if we can see anything back here. More footage back here now. Looks about the same. It really doesn't look too scary out here or intimidating at all, but could really change soon. A lot of these storms are rain wrapped, but the one thing I would definitely say for certain is watch for the wind. Watch for the wind. That's the biggest thing right now. Tornado threat is pretty diminished. If I need to speak, I should probably speak up. I've kind of been quiet, and once it gets really windy, I'll probably be borderline yelling, if not yelling, because that gets me excited. Thanks again for everyone tuning in. I'm going to check the radar again. I think it's a good time. See if anything's changed. Be right back. Nothing much has changed. Nothing much. Again, all the areas that I've mentioned are pretty much the same. And I kind of forgot to look at the wind. See what the wind, how strong the wind might be. Last I checked it was 70, but that line is really coming together. And today we had a 30% hatched risk. So very likely for some crazy wind, and as soon as that happens, these trees are going to go wild. I'm going to probably go live again pretty soon. Stop it for a second, and once they start to pick up, we'll probably go live again, unless the one person in here wants me to keep going. Just let me know really quick. If not, I'll quick respond to some messages, check the radar, and go live again when more information comes in. But thank you for everyone who's watched. If it gets to 14, I'll just end it and start it back up again soon. All right, Dan the Man. Yeah, actually, Dan the Man, just watch out. Okay. Yeah, Daniel, really quick. I don't know if that hail is still coming towards you. It's kind of stationary right now, but it would probably be about 2-inch hail. So just keep an eye on that. I'm going to be live again in a minute, so I'll keep you updated, but I'll be back soon.